Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Hey guys, I'm doing just a quick reveal slash fail video. My face honestly matches my neck. I don't know why this lighting is just throwing it off. Ice. Yes. So this item that I'm gonna show, I love it. It's so beautiful. Honestly, you guys, I'm so in love with it. But this is a Fendi mini peekaboo in a python finish. But you guys, it turns out to be fake. So I got it. Look how gorgeous though. It's honestly so beautiful. I fell in love as soon as I saw it. This colorway is just fantastic. It's beautiful, but it's fake. So first giveaway for me is kind of the handles. For something that's this expensive, this is already peeling off the glazing. Another thing I saw from my girl's video that she did get also a fake Fendi peekaboo. I'm gonna put her channel right here and I'll link it down below. But so there's like a little tag right here in the pocket, and there should be, you could just feel like something, like a hard something. I don't really know what it is exactly, but this is like, you know, like it's not even sewn together. You could literally stick your finger through this. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so that little pocket thing, it didn't even have one, and then it just kind of seemed off. And I had it authenticated twice, and it came back that it's not authentic. So started a claim, and I did purchase this on eBay, so I am covered 100% money back guarantee, and I'm gonna be shipping it tomorrow. But I just wanted to do a quick video so that you can see, if you ever saw this and it ever like catches your eye, it's fake, don't do it. But yeah, it's so beautiful, you guys. I love it. Like, how gorgeous is this colorway with this teal color? But yeah, it's fake, unfortunately. But yeah, I did it again. I bought some. So I usually don't like authenticating my items before getting it in person, just in case I get something that wasn't the actual item, you know what I mean? I don't want to waste money on it, and I can get like a better depiction of like of what I'm getting. But yeah, I actually, this was really a good fake, because even like these rivets right here, they have the double F's on it, and sometimes like with fake items they don't even have that. They would just have the logo Fendi right here, which this one does. And then what else was I looking at? Oh, this ring right here, it says Fendi. So I got really fooled, and I just really fell in love with this colorway. But yeah, it's fake, so I'm still on the hunt for maybe a python. I know it's like a controversial thing, but yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. But yeah, it's, you know, it's a personal preference, and it's my money, I'm buying it, it's my item. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.